What if I told you that you're probably wasting $500 every single month without even realizing it? I'm not talking about giving up everything you love or living on ramen noodles. I'm talking about 5 simple hacks that literally anyone can do starting today, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep that $500 in your pocket. Let's get into it. Hack number 1. The subscription audit. Alright, hack number 1 is what I call the subscription audit, and this one is brutal but necessary. Pull out your bank statement right now. I'm serious. Pause this video if you need to, and look at every single recurring charge from the last 30 days. Here's what most people find. Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and HBO Max. That's $60 a month. That gym membership they haven't used since January, $50 a month. Spotify Premium when they mostly listen to podcasts. $10 a month. Apps they forgot they even downloaded, $15 a month. That's $135 right there. Here's what you do. Cancel everything. Yes, everything. Then, only resubscribe to what you actually missed in the next 7 days. Pro tip? Share streaming services with family or friends. Most allow multiple profiles anyway. Savings from hack. Hash 1. $100 to $150 per month. HACK number 2. The 24-hour rule. Hack number 2 is called the 24-hour rule, and this one literally changed my spending habits overnight. Here's how it works. Before you buy anything that's not an absolute necessity, you wait 24 hours. That's it. No purchase for 24 hours. Why does this work? Because impulse buying is killing your budget. That cute sweater on sale? That new gadget you saw on TikTok? Your brain is flooded with dopamine right now, making you think you need it. But here's the thing. 80% of the time, when you come back 24 hours later, you don't even want it anymore. I started doing this in January, and I tracked every purchase I didn't make because of this rule. You want to know what I saved? $187 in 1 month. On stuff I completely forgot about a day later. For bigger purchases over $100, make it a 7-day rule. Trust me on this. Savings from hack number 2. $150 to $200 per month. Hack number 3. Automate your savings. Hack number 3. Automate your savings because willpower is overrated. Listen, if you're waiting until the end of the month to see what's left over to save, you're doing it backwards. There will never be anything left over. Money has a funny way of disappearing. Here's what you do instead. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account the day after your paycheck hits. Not when you feel like it. Automatically. Start with just $50 if that's all you can do. You won't even miss it because you never see it in your checking account. But here's where it gets good. Use a high-yield savings account. Regular savings accounts give you like 0.01% interest. That's a joke. High-yield savings accounts right now are paying 4 to 5% APY. On $50 a week, that's $2,600 saved in a year. Plus, you earn about $65 in interest, just for existing. Most people don't do this because they think, I'll just save manually. No, you won't. Automate it. Savings from hack number 3. $50 to $100 per month that you actually KEEP. HACK number 4. The Cash Envelope System 2.0. Hack number 4 is a modern twist on an old-school method. The Cash Envelope System 2.0. Now, I know what you're thinking. Who uses cash anymore? Stick with me. The original envelope system means you put cash in envelopes for different spending categories. Groceries, eating out, entertainment, etc. When the cash is gone, you're done spending in that category. But here's the 2.0 version for 2026. Use separate debit cards or digital wallets instead of cash. Most banks let you create virtual cards or sub-accounts. Create one for dining out, one for shopping, one for entertainment. Load them with your budget amount at the start of the month. For example, dining out, $200. Shopping $100, entertainment $100. When you're dining out, card hits 0, you're cooking at home. No borrowing from other categories. No excuses. This creates real boundaries without the hassle of carrying cash everywhere. I did this and cut my restaurant spending by 60% in the first month because I could see the money disappearing in real time. Savings from hack number 4. $100 to $150 per month. Hack number 5. The No Spend Challenge. And finally, hack number 5. The No Spend Challenge, but we're doing it smart. Here's the deal. Pick 1 week every month where you spend money on nothing except absolute essentials. And I mean essentials: rent, utilities, gas to get to work, groceries you actually need. No Amazon, no DoorDash, no Target runs. No just browsing that turns into $87 at HomeGoods. The first time I did this, I thought I was going to die of boredom by day 3. But you know what happened? I got creative. I used stuff I already had. I cooked meals with ingredients that were hiding in my pantry. I found free entertainment. And at the end of that week, I had an extra $120 in my account that would have normally just vanished. Do this 1 week per month. That's only 25% of your time, but it resets your spending habits and reminds you that you don't actually need most of the stuff you buy. Savings from hack number 5, $100 to $120 per month. Alright, let's recap these 5 hacks. Number 1, subscription audit. Cancel what you don't use. That's $100 to $150. Number 2, 24-hour rule. Stop impulse buying. That's $150 to $200. Number 3, automate your savings. Pay yourself first. That's $50 to $100. Number 4, cash envelope system 2.0. Create real spending boundaries. That's $100 to $150. And number 5, no spend week. 1 week per month, essentials only. That's $100 to $120. That's over $500 a month. That's $6,000 plus a year. That's a vacation, a down payment, an emergency fund, financial peace. And the best part? None of these require you to make more money or live like you're broke. You're just being intentional with what you already have. So here's your homework. Pick one of these hacks and start it. Today. Not tomorrow. Today. Comment below which hack you're starting with. I read every single comment and I want to keep you accountable. And if you want more practical money tips like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. I'll see you in the next one. Now go save that $500.